हाय गाइस, व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आप सब मुझे कहते हो कि ईशा दी लॉन्ग वीडियो बनाओ। सो टुडे आई एम हियर विद अ लॉन्ग वीडियो फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू। आई वांट टू शेयर समथिंग विद यू गाइस। द अदर डे माय पार्लर लेडी कॉल्ड मी एंड शी टोल्ड मी दैट ईशा दी मैं आज नहीं आ पाऊंगी, मुझे मेरे बच्चे को स्कूल छोड़ना है। फिर उसके बाद जब मैंने उसको फोन किया तब उसने कहा कि आज भी मैं वैक्सीन के लिए नहीं आ पाऊंगी बिकॉज आई नीड टू गो टू माय इन-लॉज। अब ऐसे मुझे डिले करते करते एक महीना हो गया एंड यू नो व्हेन वी डू नॉट वैक्स फॉर 1.5 month व्हाट हैपेंस। अपर लिप्स, अंडर आर्म्स, बिकिनी एरिया, आईब्रोज, ये सब में इतना ग्रोथ आ चुका था कि पूछो मत। उसी टाइम पर मैं समझ चुकी थी कि आई कैन नॉट डिपेंड ऑन माई पार्लर लेडी लाइक दिस फॉर माई हेयर रिमूवल एंड आई हैव टू डू समथिंग एल्स। उसके बाद मुझे एक पार्टी आई थी एंड मैंने सोचा कि मैं स्लीवलेस पहनूंगी, बट बिकॉज माई अंडर आर्म हेयर हैड ग्रोन सो मच आई हैड टू लाइक कैंसिल द प्लान ऑफ वेयरिंग अ स्लीवलेस टॉप एंड wear a full sleeve top. अभी आप कहोगे कि why didn't you try a razor? Razor is definitely very quick, but it's more prone to cuts and ingrown hair. Plus razor करने के बाद I think 1-2 दिन में that पोकी छोटे छोटे बाल आने लग जाते हैं, which is so irritating कि पूछो मत. I also considered laser, but laser is very expensive. My sisters have done it and they tell me that you need multiple sessions and एक session literally like 2 घंटे का होता है with all the work and so much traveling and इतना बजट तो है नहीं hair removal की। तो मैंने सोचा there has to be something in between ना, जो easy भी हो, painless भी हो and affordable भी हो, and that's when I got my hands on this Bombay 6-in-1 trimmer and trust me guys, it has been a game changer for me. As soon as it got delivered, सबसे पहले मैंने अपने साइड लॉक्स पे ट्राई किया एंड इतना इजीली मेरे सारे बाल निकल गए। No redness, no irritation, no bumps and in 2 minutes. And the best part, it has got 3 attachments for your eyebrows, upper lips, chin, side locks, underarms and bikini area. What else do we want? It's basically full body hair trimming in just one compact device. You know what's the best part? It comes with this C-type charging. I can just plug it in with my normal phone charger as well. And this device is also waterproof, so you can also use it in the shower as well. And let me tell you something, this is also travel friendly. One day I was very late for my shoot and मैंने फटाफट ऑटो में hair removal किया है। Another plus point is that this device comes with 1 year warranty. तो कुछ भी अगर गड़बड़ हुई तो the brand is going to take care of. And honestly, once you start using it, you'll realize how much your life will get easier.
Compared to salon waxing, no pain, no appointments, no waiting. Compared to razors, no cuts, no irritation and no next day hair growth. And unlike hair removal creams, there's no harsh smell or chemicals touching your skin.
This is literally just a one-time investment that saves you so much of money, effort and time along with being super gentle and effective. I know अभी तक मैं सिर्फ बातें कर रही हूँ. Let me actually show you how to use it and you will be surprised.
Now this is the main body of the device and for my underarms I'm going to be using the flathead attachment here. The trick is to keep your skin stretched a bit. This way the trimmer glides smoothly. Move it gently in upward strokes and you literally see it catching every bit of your hair in just one go. No redness, no bumps and you know what's the best part? No burning sensation afterwards like the razors. And if you want you can always apply aloe vera gel to soothe the area. I do not need it though, but just a tip. Now for my side locks, upper lip and chin area, I'm switching to the small round head attachment. This is my go-to for facial hair. Just move it in tiny circular motions. It even catches the small baby hair and there is no pulling or tugging at all. So if you've been really scared of trimmers near your face, don't worry, this is super gentle. Now for the eyebrows. Now this one's interesting. The trimmer comes with a 2-way eyebrow head, one shorter side for the inner brow area and a longer one for the outer ends. Before I start, I always brush my brows upwards to get a sense of shape. Then I just lightly move the trimmer along the arch and it gives me that clean, fresh look without making my brows look too thin or artificial. Pro tip, don't hold the trimmer in one spot for too long. Just keep it moving in light, feathery strokes.
Now let's talk about the most sensitive area, which is the bikini area. And for the bikini area, I go with this flathead attachment only. All you have to make sure is that area is completely dry and then you slowly start removing your hair. For the bikini area, I have tried razors, I have tried waxing. Razors से मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ingrown hair आ जाता है and waxing की वजह से मुझे छोटे छोटे bumps आ जाते हैं, which makes my intimate area very uncomfortable. But because of this, I had zero pain. No cuts at all and it gets the edges clean without irritating the skin at all. I was literally very surprised कि इतना easily बाल निकल रहा है, like wow. And one thing I really have to appreciate about the brand is that मेरे को 3 months हो गए ये use करते हुए, but in these 3 months मैंने सिर्फ 2 बार इसको चार्ज किया होगा. That means the battery life is amazing and in these 3 months the blades are still very sharp. अभी तक मुझे ऐसा लगा नहीं कि blunt हुआ है. I haven't had a single issue with redness, irritation or bumps, which says a lot because redness and irritation is so common for sensitive areas, especially face and bikini area. And आप मुझे पता है कि एक चीज मुझे पूछने वाले हो, ईशा दी, does the hair grow back thicker? No guys, the hair does not grow back thicker because you are not pulling it from the root. In fact, the hair is softer. Now, if you're someone like me who travels a lot and does not want to bother about her hair removal, then this device is perfect. Like you can see, it's so sleek. It fits into your vanity, in your pouch, anywhere. The batteries don't leak and this device does not get damaged. Even if you like toss it around a bit. And one thing I really like is it's super sleek, not at all heavy, and it's rechargeable. It does not have batteries, so all you have to do is like plug in your charger and charge it and go. वो बार-बार बैटरी चेंज करने का टेंशन नहीं चाहिए. So now let's bust a few myths around using this hair trimmer. I know सबसे पहले आप मुझे पूछने वाले हो कि ईशा does it hurt? Firstly, it does not hurt at all. I know there are trimmers in the market जिसके वजह से आपको थोड़ा बहुत pulling and tugging sensation होता होगा, but इससे it just glides. There is nothing. Like आपको मालूम भी नहीं पड़ेगा आपके बाल निकल रहे. It's that easy. Does the hair grow back thicker? I will repeat it once again. The hair does not grow back thicker because you are just bluntly cutting it from the surface and not pulling your hair from the root like in wax. So बिल्कुल भी thick hair नहीं आते हैं. In fact, hair feels softer. But yes, if I had to point out one thing, I wish this came with a small box or a pouch to save all these attachments neatly. Like I travel a lot and I would love to have a pouch for this so that I can nicely keep it organized. But performance wise, this is a complete 10 on 10. Trust me on that. So yes guys, if you're tired of your waxing appointments getting rescheduled again and again, those razor burns, or someone who's just looking for a quick, easy, painless way of staying groomed at home, then this Bombay 6-in-1 trimmer is the one for you, trust me. It's beginner friendly, fits perfectly into my busy lifestyle, and yes, once you use it, you will never wait for your parlor lady again. You definitely need to check this product out. The link is in the description. Try it out and thank me later, and please drop in your reviews in the comments.